Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I am talking about my colour of the month, and I love this colour. This is Kai, the style Kai, and the colour is Melted Ocean. So you may have seen by now a few of our melted colours. We've got the Melted Marshmallow, which is beautiful, the Melted Sunset, very similar but warmer. Melted Ocean is really cool. It's really something special. Now, I love the sea, I love surfing, I love being out there, so this natural blue is just amazing for me. Let me take it off, let me take Kai off and show you. I think Kai is a great style to show you the transition in. And if you imagine the depths of the ocean, that really deep blue, going into these kind of lighter blue where the coral reefs are, to these almost these white tips of where the waves break in, I think Melted Ocean is probably the best description for this colour. It's made up of 3 blues and a white. So we've got the deep blue blending into this paler blue, which has a few brighter blues in there as well. And then this really lovely whitey, icy blue towards the ends. And I think this speaks for itself, ladies and gentlemen, this colour. It really is something. You know, tell me what you think. Leave your comments below. We'd love to know what you think. But, you know, for me, if you were looking at different colours within our range and you see something that I've talked about, but maybe the style isn't for you, by all means go to our website, have a look and see what available styles come in the colours that I show on the colour of the month, because we have so many styles in all these amazing colours. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the style Kai, and this is my colour of the month. This is Melted Ocean. I love it. What do you think? I'd love to know what you guys think. But for now, I'm Alexander, this is René of Paris. Please remember to follow us on all forms of social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.